Good morning, and it is a good morning because we survived tonight's craziness. So, what did you decide to tell them?
Kommer från väst och går uppåt en 11 till 14 meter per sekund. Så det blir lite rörelser i fartyget. Och resa söderut, det är ganska helt naturligt med den här typen av...
Just told them that the waves were usual, this type of wind. And encouraged you to tell them that the winds were unusual.
Och det är ju inte vanligt, så det kommer att vara jättestora böljor i natt.
There was so much wind and many waves this night.
The winds of change were swaying wild and free.
There was like this noise.
I thought, is there someone in the hallway? So I opened the door.
There was nobody there. I closed the bathroom door and that helped. And then for the rest of the night, we were just like swaying.
It was pretty windy stuff.
And it was just like you go up a little and then you bounce back down. And it hurt. On the window just went like this. We were just like this all night. Well, I for sure don't have to go to an adventure park for a long time. Oh, I got seasick just from doing this.
At one point, a man was
Screaming. He was probably drunk, but he was screaming, "We're going down! Now we're really going down!" Because the boat was just like...
To be honest, I still feel like I'm swaying.